Today we're going to do one of the most popular appetizers you can do, jalapeno poppers. We're going to do ours with a little cream cheese, cheddar cheese, some seasonings, and then wrap them in bacon and throw them on the smoker. So let's get started. Alright, so start by preheating your smoker to about 225 degrees. We're going to cut the top third part of the jalapeno off and then scoop out all the seeds and capsaicin inside. You can leave some if you want it spicy. With cream cheese, we're going to hit it with our seasonings and cheddar cheese. Mix this up real well, and then we're going to put this inside all of the jalapenos. And you can fill these to the top or about 3/4 of the way because it will expand whenever they're cooking. So they don't need to be completely full. Use thin cut bacon. We're going to wrap these starting at the stem. Just wrap it all the way around. You don't need to use a toothpick, they'll stay put. And we're going to put these directly on our smoker. Just put them right on the grill grate, and we're going to smoke these for about an hour at 225 to just give them a good amount of smoke flavor. And then once about an hour's up, we're going to turn the heat up to 325 degrees and get that bacon nice and crispy. And then just pull these off the smoker and serve right away. They're amazing. Enjoy.